What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Jordan 12s. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your Jordan 12 for that relaxed casual fit, but also with a lacing style that's going to give you just enough lace at the end for that cool loosely laced look. So we're going to place the left shoe over here so we can see what we're aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing the right shoe. So because this area here where we're going to start is a little bit tight, I recommend you kind of push that leather down a little bit so you can get into this area here. And we're going to start by taking the lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. So when you bring your lace into the shoe, just bring it up a little way, and then when you pass your lace across the front, run it through your finger and thumb just to flatten it out as much as possible. Bring the end of the lace down through the opposite first hole, and again just push it a little way up into the shoe. A little bit tight in there. So just bring it up a little way and then bring the ends together and pull up to make sure that your laces are the same length on both sides. So with this lacing style, we're not going to aim to make the laces particularly loose in terms of like when you kind of thread them along. You don't want them, you want them to have a little bit of tightness to them. As you can see here, these aren't particularly loose, although they look loose. The way I've done this is to pad out the shoe as if your foot's sitting inside. So I recommend you get a couple of thick socks. I have actually got some socks in the toe box as well already, and just pad them down into your shoe. Don't do it before you've done this bit here though, or else you won't be able to get those two pieces of lace in there. And then you want to pad out your shoe to make this part here where the laces come in as wide as you possibly can. And then that's going to give you that great kind of loose, wide laces look. So make sure that you've gone all the way in with those socks and you padded it all the way up to there, and it will really help. So getting back to the lacing, we're going to take the outside lace across and down that second hole on the inside. When you bring it over, if you catch it on your finger, it just helps you to smooth out the lace as well so you won't get any twists. And you don't need to leave it loose like that, you can put it all the way in. Then take the inside lace and across to that second hole on the outside. So if they are getting a little bit baggy, you can pull them in because you're going to need all of your laces to get up to the top and get this curve at the end. Then take that outside lace across your shoe to the third hole on the inside. Then the inside lace comes across to the outside. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the fourth hole on the inside. And a good point to pull on it as well is it does kind of make your laces, that give them that kind of nice straight look rather than twisted up. I always think straight laces look a lot neater than twisted laces. Then take the inside lace across to that outside next hole. And I'm pulling on them as well to make sure that they're nice and straight. Then take that lace across to the next hole on the inside. So if you get a twist like that, I'd take it out a little bit, twist it around and bring it back down into the hole. Then take the inside lace across, and as I'm pulling as well, I'm pulling on the lace to straighten it out. And stop and make sure that your laces are crossed over. Pull out your shoe if you want to as well, which kind of makes sure that those laces are the same width as each other. Then back to the outside lace, down through that last hole before we get up to the collar. And the inside lace on the opposite side, that last hole before the collar. And again, I'm just going to check my laces, and if they're a little bit baggy, which this one is, I'm going to pull them in because I know I'm going to need all that lace to get myself up to the top. Like that. Then the outside lace comes across and up through that first hole on the collar. Then the inside lace comes across and up through that first hole on the collar. It's worth checking at this stage to make sure your laces are the same length. This one's a little bit short, so I'm just going to go back and just pull in the lace a little bit to make sure that they're both the same. And then I'm going to take the outside lace, I'm going to bring it across and up through that last hole. And it gives me just enough lace to get that great curve for that loosely laced look. And then the inside lace, bring it across, and you want to bring it up through that last hole on the collar. Make sure they're both the same length. Curl them over, cross over all your laces coming up. Just widen out those shoes a little bit. And there you've got your loosely laced Jordan 12 for that great, cool, casual look. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your Jordan 12s loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.